Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see story archive on Facebook. So simply just launch the Facebook application on your mobile and move in the right bottom corner option menu. Just scroll down and settings and privacy, just get in, and after here you will just scroll down and just finding the your activity log. So here I will be just tab on it. So if you just can't find, you will be just simply go in your profile, which is this. So here you will see the three dots. I will just tap on it, and here you will see is the activity log. Simply just tap on it and just tap on it. The top left is the archive, and after here you will see the story archive. Just tap on it. So if you have archive stories these, so you will be able to relaunch it. So in this way you will just have to see your story archive on Facebook. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.